Hello, my name is Mahlatse Maseeme. I grew up in a village called Rapahla in Limpopo, South Africa. And back then, thinking about it, being a scientist wasn't just a far-fetched thing, actually. It was something that we didn't even dare to dream of. And actually sitting here today as a PhD researcher isn't just the journey of a dream come true for me, but also for my siblings and for every child who grows up in the villages, that they can look up and dream and see what's actually possible. The project I'm working on and why it matters. I'm working on a project focused on tuberculosis, which is a disease that really affects our people in South Africa and Africa, which carries the most burden of this disease. And my project focuses specifically on asymptomatic disease of TB, which is a hidden form of TB, which could be contributing largely to the burden of disease that we see, and looking at immune signatures, trying to diagnose or uncover how this disease is formed and in different stages could actually help us against the fight of TB. The SANTHE's role in this journey of mine as becoming a scientist has been really fundamental and amazing. They've provided amazing mentorship, and which has helped build my confidence as a scientist. And also they have provided amazing practical training through workshops like the art workshop, the biostatistics, and so many workshops that are amazing to learn as a scientist and practical to my field, in addition to the travel awards that allowed me to actually present my work globally. The challenges that I face in this journey as a scientist, especially an African young scientist, are that we face limited resource settings, and also we face limited opportunities, especially when it comes to international conferences, for example, which sometimes can feel like the odds are against you. But with SANTHE, as I say, it really just built that community and the confidence to be able to be put on big platforms on international conference through the financial support, the networking we have through our mentors. That really puts us out there. For me, some of the personal milestones, especially recently, involves being in the AHRI 2025 in Vienna, the immunology conference, which was really amazing to actually be there, to present my work, to network with leading experts globally, to contribute, which was really great because it's not just about a personal milestone, but it's also evidence and proof that as African researchers, young researchers, we can actually contribute to the global conversation meaningfully. Yes, just in closing, this journey has been really amazing. And with the support of SANTHE, I hope there will be many more amazing moments. And actually, lastly, and hopefully, I hope this journey is an inspiration, not only to my siblings, but to every child growing up in a village, to know that they can actually go to the international stage, make an impact, and make the world a better place.